first stall of the day.
Fuck you.
Hello. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nathan.
Hello, my name's Nathan.
This is my 2001 Nissan 200SX. For some reason, I was mad enough to let 6 of my friends drive my very expensive, highly modified Japanese sports car. Now you might be wondering, why on earth would anyone do this? Well, because I think it's funny. I think it's funny to let 6 of my friends have a go at trying to blow up my 6-speed before it gets chucked in the bin. So anyway, hope you enjoy the video.
So we've arrived at the spot where my car is going to die today. These guys are all going to drive it. Hopefully they don't wreck it, but if they do, it'll make good content. Here's a selection of individuals that I have chosen for today. We have Zach.
My mum said I can drive it, so that's okay.
Yeah, well, I said you can drive it too. So we have Tyler.
Hello, my name's Nathan.
Yep. We have Peter.
Vape Nation!
We have Elon.
Dancing in the dark.
We have Chelsea.
Hi.
We have Alex.
Doing.
And we have a poll.
What the dog doing?
Anyway, so I'm just going to choose these guys at random. We'll see how they go. Our first suspect is Tyler. Tyler doesn't have very much manual driving experience, but he is fully licensed, so technically he can drive it. We're just going to see how it goes. Like I said, if the box blows up, it'll be hilarious. Are you feeling confident?
Confident enough. If I blow it up, no one else gets to drive.
Exactly. Yeah, which means the car might not get written off. So yeah, see the guy in the purple? That's who I'm most concerned about. Here you go. Oh, he got it. He's got it. You'll notice that it's a bit more clunky with the new diff pushes and stuff. He's actually got it down pat.
There you go.
To be fair, to give Tyler some credit, he has been driving around his Mate 86 for the last few weeks, so he does have a little bit of manual experience. Give it a hit here, just be really careful. Nice. Yep, the gearbox is already...
Oh, bro, what? I like totally floored it there, it did nothing.
Yeah, I know, because the turbo doesn't spool very quickly at all. Alright, just go really slowly here, it'll bottom out. First gear. He's got to give it some limmy. I'm impressed with Tyler's performance.
Thank you.
Alright Tyler, how's that?
It's not dissimilar to the Golf.
Yeah, this is Tyler's car. I've reviewed this. It's a little bit shitter, a bit noisier, not as refined, but
Yeah, the lag is. I was surprised, but then once it starts going, it starts going.
it's good. Next up is Peter. Do it now.
Peter, do it now. Get in the car, boy. Bro, why's the clutch so light?
I know, right? Oh yeah, everyone. I'm gonna tell everyone it's extremely easy to drive. Perfect. Give it a rev match. Give it a send here.
The car feels too easy.
Yeah, it's
Too
surprisingly.
soft and shit.
Yeah, and which is a shame because the new clutch I'm putting in is a Nismo twin disc, and I've driven my friend Lachlan's one, and it is, yeah, go right. It's definitely not as forgiving. It's very tricky. The bite point is very small. It makes a lot of noises. 6-speed, too good. You know, it's not good. There's too many NPCs everywhere. Box is making some funny noises. Yeah, give it a little rev. Sick. Who's next? Who's next?
I might be terrified.
It's fine. Chelsea drives manual. She has a
do.
BMW 1 Series manual, so
Okay.
should be alright. Should be fine.
I'm so scared.
I'd move the seat forward
Why?
slightly. Your leg's like fully extended.
Yeah.
Is that how you normally drive?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright. Sorry, I'm...
Move it forward if you want.
No, it's fine, it's fine. Whatever's comfortable for you.
Oh my god!
already. She's already got it. All right, when we turn around, I want you to put your foot down.
Really?
All the way. He's sending it. Wow, the gearbox is not loving life.
I don't have English.
You don't have English?
I don't have English.
Okay, well you're Polish, so speak Polish.
I can't speak Polish.
Ruski?
I don't know any Polish.
No Russian?
No Russian. I'm just white, okay?
Okay. You're Caucasian. You can't say that. People get offended.
I'm sorry, I'm Caucasian. This is so much fun.
See, I love letting people drive it because I would hope that. I love seeing people's reactions because if I didn't have a car like this and one of my friends did, I'd want them to let me drive it.
This makes me want one more.
Yeah, well, it's a poor financial decision.
I like making poor financial decisions.
Yeah, well, fair enough then.
Ah!
My ears! Alright, who's up next?
Doing your box blown?
Yeah, Alex, blow my box up.
Done.
Братан, мой русский брат.
Да. Сейчас я взорву эту коробку передач, оставлю третью передачу на земле и уеду во второй.
Yeah, just stick it in first. Of the... What the f? Put the clutch all the way in. We're off to a good start. Yeah, the first stall of the day.
Fuck, I'm fucking nervous as shit, man.
Very good. Hey, you know what to do from here. Oh, he's even rev matching it into fourth. Put your foot down.
Jesus Christ.
Box is winding nice and good. See, it's not that hard to drive, is it?
It's not. I'm just very nervous about driving other people's cars,
Yeah.
especially when, like, you know, it's a very nice fucking car
Yeah.
that I would not be able to afford to fix.
I can't
Like,
afford to fix it.
Yeah, so I'm so very surprised you let me drive it. But my foot is fucking shaking. I don't know if you can see
Yeah,
it.
that's classic like learner drive stuff. I was the same. Fuck. Oh, he stole it again.
I'm sorry, Nathan.
That's okay.
Bro, my knee's fucking shaking like a motherfucker.
Yeah, you did excellent, Alex. This is your like second time driving manual properly.
Man, that was the scariest thing I've done in a
Whoa! What's up with people pulling the handbrake so hard? Zach, you're up.
Let's go. Off we go. This is mad.
Yep. It's an SR20. Boot it. Oh, crispy.
Clutch feels amazing though.
Yeah, it's just an Exedi heavy duty.
Yeah, okay.
Right here.
I'll swap you for the Toronto.
Yes. Yep. 100%. All right, this is the lucky last. Yep. This is probably that car's probably more dangerous than this.
Car's more dangerous than any car on the road.
Yeah.
They have a negative star safety rating.
Anyway. Oh, he's got it.
Fuck, that was sick.
Give it hell.
Fuck, that was sick.
What are your thoughts, Elon?
Fucking amazing. This is the most fun car I've ever driven.
Yeah, it survived. I don't know how. This transmission, literally, I absolutely gave it hell last night. I don't know how it's not blown up, but you know what? 164,000 Ks, this thing has done pretty well. Salute to the 6-speed, the Aisin 6-speed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. There's a new video every week, so I'll see you in the next one.